Hi, it's Vicky here from Off the Hook for You, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy 5-point star. So let's get cracking. I'm using some Brava worsted weight yarn. Let me show you here. Brava worsted weight, and I've got a 5.5mm hook. So let's get cracking. I'm going to do this as quite a slow video for beginners, and then I'll do a faster one as well. So don't worry if you lose me. So with your yarn, this is for beginners. So with your yarn in your right hand, if you're right-handed, and your finger pointed in your left hand, what you're going to do is take the tail of your yarn and wind it round your finger from the bottom to the top 3 times. This is to make a magic ring. You're going to insert your hook under the 2 loops, and you're going to grab the 3rd loop and pull it back through. Instantly, you're going to chain 1 with your yarn that feels in the wrong place because it's here. So you're going to instantly chain 1. At this point, you point your finger, you want to move your tail, make sure your tail's on your left, your yarn's on the right. Wiggle your finger so your loops come off, and you can see the loops here. Move your tail in front and your yarn behind, and all the stitches that we do are now in the loops here in front of us. So we're going to do 10 single crochet. So go through the loops, grab your yarn, pull it back through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. We need 10 of these. So through the loop, grab, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. At this point, if you make sure all your stitches are flat and pointing outwards, if you pull your tail, your magic ring will cinch in and cinch closed. And then what you need to do is slip stitch to join to your first single crochet, which is here. So under 2 loops, grab your yarn, pull back through, and then pull back through the other one. So now we have a complete little circle, which is the middle circle of the star. Now we're going to make the points. These are incredibly simple. Again, we're going to chain 3 up. So under your yarn, pull back through, under your yarn, pull back through, under your yarn, pull back through. That's 3 chains. In the second chain, so we're working in this one. Hold on. Working in this one. We're going to ignore the first one. We ignore the one on the hook. Ignore the first one. We're working in this one here. We're going to make a single crochet in here, and then we're going to make a half double crochet in the next chain. So through, grab, 2 loops on your hook for a single crochet, yarn over, pull through both. Half double crochet. So under your yarn, through the chain, grab your yarn, pull back through. You've now got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. You're going to now skip 1 stitch, so we're going to miss the first one, which is here, and we're going to slip stitch to join to the next one, which is here. So yarn over, pull through, and then pull through again. And that's 1 point of the star made. Chain 3 up to get to the height of the point. Miss the first one, single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in the bottom chain. Skip 1 stitch, miss this one, into this one, slip stitch to join. Chain 3 up, single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in the bottom chain, skip 1 stitch into the second, slip stitch to join, chain 3 up, single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in the bottom chain, skip 1 stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch to join, chain 3 up, single crochet in the second chain, half double crochet in the bottom chain, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch to join, and there we have it, a tiny little star. So we're going to fasten off, and then weave in your ends. So turn it over so the back side is facing with a needle. Weave in your ends so it doesn't come undone. There's one. Here's the next one. So there we have it, a tiny little star made in about 4 minutes. I'd love for you to hit subscribe. There should be a button that you can subscribe and see all my other videos, and go and check out my blog at www.offthehookforyou.co.uk. How to make a tiny little crochet star in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.